I will be using the book Go, Viv Go, which is part of the Piney Pals book series. If you don't have this book, that's okay. You can use any decodable book that focuses on consonant V. I'm going to say 3 words, and I want you to listen very carefully with your ears, and I want you to tell me what sound you hear alike in each one of these words. I will say the word, you will echo the word. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Viv, van, vet. What sound did you hear alike in each one of these words? That's right, you heard V. Now I want you to get your mirror and let's look at our mouth and see what our mouth is doing when we make this sound. Get your mirror and hold it right up to your mouth and say V. Do you see what your mouth is doing? Your top teeth are resting gently on your bottom lip. Now, I want you to put your hand on your throat, and I want you to make this sound again. And I want you to tell me if you can feel a vibration when you make this sound. Let's do it together. Here we go. Did you feel something? So did I. We call that a voice sound. Now, one more thing. I want you to make the sound again, and I want to see if the sound continues on or if it stops. Let's go again. Here we go. That's right, the sound continued. So we call this a continuous sound. We know that V is made when our teeth are on our bottom lip. The sound continues and it's a voice sound. Okay, go ahead and put your mirrors up. I'm going to write 3 words on the board. And I want you to look very carefully with your eyes because I want you to tell me what letter you see alike in each one of these words. Here I go. V, I, V. V, A, N. V, E, T. What letter do you see alike in each one of these words? That's right. You see the letter V. Today, we are going to be focusing on consonant V. Let's read these 3 words. Viv, van, vet. When you read the book, Go, Viv, Go, you will have a chance to see the letter V, and your mouth will say V when you see the letter V. Remember, our top teeth rest gently on our bottom lip. We know that the sound continues and it's voiced. Thank you so much for watching this video today, and remember, you've got this.